How to change location in PlayStore on your Android device. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Haskry and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open your PlayStore application and tap on this profile icon here in the top right corner. Then tap on Payment and Subscriptions. Then tap on Payment Methods. Then tap on More Payment Settings, and it will redirect you to your Chrome browser. Then tap on these three lines here. If these lines are not showing in your device, then check Pinned Comment to see the video in which I have guided you how you can fix it. Then tap on Settings. When you will tap on this pencil icon, it will give you the option to create a new profile. We will tap on it. Then tap on Continue. Select that country you want and press on Continue. Add your random address and press Submit. Here you can see our second country profile is created. Tap on Verify and your PlayStore country will be changed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.